Our construction management program, EMU, has 100% job placement rates. Right now is the perfect time to get into construction management. The technology changes, there's so many more opportunities.
What I find most rewarding about construction management is I'm developing a road that people are going to drive on. I'm developing buildings that people are going to live in, work in, sleep in. I'm not just building a building, but I'm building a community for other people.
Construction management is a challenge within itself. You have different people and personalities you're working with, and a schedule and a budget to follow. So it's really interesting to me to challenge myself and make sure the client is as happy as possible. And also the problem-solving aspect. You're working in a management, engineering, and business field. So finding a solution with all three of those meshed together is a challenge, which I really like.
The degree that you're getting is very relevant. Now, with many people in the workforce that are retiring, it's time to replace those with new workers. There's so many intercommunication things that happen, and working in co-op helps you understand, do I want a big company? Do I want a little company? Do I want to be an estimator? Do I want to be a project manager? And so those co-op jobs help define that role within the construction industry.
The courses that we offer here are also for the people who are pursuing skilled trades, and also they're more on the technology side.
In the construction field, there's nothing like hands-on experience. You can't learn from a book and go out and use that to build a building.
Technology in the construction management field is very important. We work with a lot of new and improving technology, as in Civ is a really important one. We use drones a lot. We use them to find elevations of construction projects so we can get a better viewpoint without even being on site.
I start preparing students as soon as they get here to get an internship. A lot of our students get an internship end of freshman year, during freshman year, or with it by sophomore year at least.
Programs like Eastern, it's awesome because the students are generally hired before they even get out of school. And that's through a series of things that Eastern does to engage contractors.
We've actually got an EMU full-time employee right now, and that person's finishing their degree while we're paying them to work. So that's to our advantage and to their advantage.
When you come through the program and you're learning different things in the classroom, be it bidding and estimating, scheduling, all that, it's great. But when you put that all together in an internship and you're seeing it actually come to fruition and the things you're working on come to life, I think that's an invaluable part.
There's an amazing amount of job security. I would never graduate and worry about if I'm going to not have work. There's always something to be done. So I feel like that's the best thing about construction management overall.